In this video, you will learn how to use buy and sell stops as well as buy and sell limits. But first, let us look at two traders, shall we? You see this guy. His name is Samuel. Samuel watches the Forex chart 24 hours every day till Friday. He makes decisions based on FOMO and trades with his emotions and then loses money. A lot of money. But you see this other guy. His name is Clinton. Clinton is a smart trader. He doesn't watch the chart for more than an hour. He doesn't trade with his emotions, and he wins 10 times more than Samuel. What is Clinton's secret, you ask? His secret is simply the use of buy and sell stops and buy and sell limits. With these functions in your MetaTrader app, you can set various levels from which you would like to take your trade and leave your charts alone, while your broker will trigger those levels automatically when the price gets there. This way, Clinton gets to trade with little emotions, and his trade goes smoothly. You can also set your take profits and stop losses too, so you do not have to worry about anything. So without wasting much of your time, let us get right into how you can do this in MetaTrader 4. The first step is to analyze your currency pair and determine where your entry, your take profit, and your stop losses will be. For example, after analyzing this chart right here, I decided to enter when the price is here at 1947.444, and I am predicting that the price will get to this level at 1951.444. Hence, I will be setting my take profit price to this price here. I am also going to practice some risk management and place my stop loss at this price of 1944.444 so that in case this trade goes unexpected, I would not lose more than I plan to. Now that all of that is done, let us head into MetaTrader 4 to apply this. Now this part can be really tricky. If you want to understand what stops and limits are in Forex trading, I will suggest you check out this video displayed in the top right corner here. And if you understand what stops and limits are already, then we can go ahead with this video. To apply the buy and sell stop and limits, you need to open your MT4 app and click on Trade right here. Now tap on this text that reads Market Execution. A bunch of options will come out, which include Buy Limits, Sell Limit, Buy Stop, and Sell Stop. You will choose your desired option and then set your prices. Again, if you do not understand what buy and sell stops and limits are in Forex trading, I suggest that you check out this video displayed right here to give you an understanding of how it works. Anyway, let us select buy limit for the purpose of this video. The first thing you need to do is select the lot size of your choice by clicking on this number here. Once that is done, go ahead to set your entry price in this section. Set your take profit and stop loss here and here as well. If you remember the analysis we did previously, we got an execution price of 1947.444, and we analyzed the take profit of 1951.444 and stopped the loss value of 1944.444. Once all of that is done, click on the Place button, and that is all. So when you have carried out these steps, all you have to do is wait for your price to get triggered, and now you can start making money like Clinton. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you for watching this video. If you need very accurate Forex signals, join our Telegram group. We provide one of the best Forex signals that can take your trading account from 1x to 10x in a month. Be a part of our community today. It is totally free.